You know that there's a silent illness that thousands of people in the UK could be living with right now, completely unaware.
It's called hepatitis C, and its risks are not always what you think. Let's listen to Yasmin's story as an example.
I contracted hepatitis C during a surgical procedure in 2001, the operation I had while giving birth to my child in South Africa. It wasn't detected immediately. I was later diagnosed when I was being treated for a post-surgical infection. At that time, I didn't have any clear symptoms, so it was discovered more by chance during follow-up testing. At the time of diagnosis, I wasn't experiencing any obvious symptoms. It remained what's often called a silent virus. I lived with it for years without even realizing. Only recently, since beginning treatment, I've been feeling more tired than usual and have experienced some aches and pains, especially in my feet. I'm currently undergoing a 3-month course of direct-acting antiviral treatment. It involves taking one tablet every day and getting blood tests every month to monitor the progress. The process is simple and structured, which helps. The treatment is fairly easy in terms of the routine. It's just one tablet a day, but I've definitely noticed some fatigue and physical discomfort since starting. Still, it's manageable, and I've already seen signs of improvement. The monthly check-ins give me peace of mind and keep me motivated. I'm still partway through the treatment, but overall, I feel like I'm improving. I do get tired and experience some pain now and then, but emotionally, I feel lighter knowing I'm doing something about it. I have started prioritizing rest and recovery, and I'm hopeful for a better quality of life once treatment is complete. Definitely. One big myth is that hepatitis C only affects people who have a certain kind of lifestyle. That's just not true. I got it during a medical procedure, which shows it can happen to anyone. Also, many people think the virus always shows symptoms, but in my case, it was completely silent for years. I'd encourage anyone who's ever had surgery or blood transfusion to get tested. Early diagnosis and treatment make all the difference. My experience with the NHS has been very smooth and reassuring. From the moment I began my treatment for hepatitis C, I felt supported and well informed. The staff have been kind, respectful, and professional throughout. Every appointment has been organized, and all my questions have been answered with patience. I truly appreciate the care I've received, and I am grateful to be going through this journey with such a compassionate team. It made a difficult time feel a lot less overwhelming.
Testing for hepatitis C has never been easier. In less than 60 seconds, you can order your own free, confidential testing kit straight to your door. Scan the QR code up here or go into the link on the bio down there.